Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, Gold USD, GBP USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now. If you have watched my previous video that I uploaded on Saturday, then you know the setup very well. Market is open, things have not changed much. As we all know, during the initial hours of Monday, market usually remains flat and dull. So right now market is trading at 150.28 and the overall structure is still remains the same. We have a strong resistance at 151.150, 1.50. Okay, if you have not marked these levels, then I'll request you, my dear friends, to mark these levels. This is a resistance zone for the market, a strong resistance zone for the market. In case market goes up and reverses from this level, today, tomorrow, we will get a good opportunity to take a sell position. On the other hand, in case market comes down, then 149.50 will be the first support for the market, and if market bounces from 149.50 level, we can take a buy position from this level. As we all know, market has been testing the level of 149.50 for many months, and we know it very well that if you find market testing a level too many times, the level usually loses its strength. So in case 149.50 betrays us or fails to provide the required support to the market, then 149, yes, 149, the line at the bottom, will be the next support for GBP JPY. Okay, so these are the three important levels for GBP JPY chart right now. And if we switch to 15 minutes time frame for some quick trading opportunities or fast trading opportunities, then in the 15 minutes time frame, honestly speaking, I do not see any proper levels. These are the three important and strongest level on the market right now and most reliable one. But still, if you want to, if you are in a mood of some thrill, okay, then you can take a short position at 150.70 if market reverses from here, and in case market comes down, then 149.80 may also act as a minor support for the market. If it comes down to the 149.80 level and bounces, you can also take a buy position. But again, I'll say that keep in mind that these two levels that I just talked are not very strong ones. Okay, so be careful, and beginners, new traders should especially avoid these levels, and they should mainly trade on important proper levels. So this is the overall picture. Hopefully you have understood, and this is the Pro Trader program, my dear friends, where I share the best trading opportunities in the market, plus I also share one or two live signals each and every day. Apart from signals and trading opportunities, we do many things. If you're interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, go to my website avilashhajarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find many information. Okay, all the information. Hopefully you'll like it. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.